neighbor. Baywatch. But they're beautiful girl. Mm.
What?
Baywatch. Baywatch. Daddy seen it falling.
There you got water in my shoe. I'm gonna call it her splashing. Jolene likes the water.
I know, that's good. Baywatch. I know.
Mom can't
I can do it. That's why I said you're a Baywatch girl.
You ate all the candy.
Okay, let me see now. Are you doing that? You okay? Yeah, it's sunny here. Sunny and hot. But it's not as sunny as not hot as the lower 48. Lower 48 is really hot. Right, Jelana? We're lucky. Oo, Princess Joy. Bata pa kasi. Yeah, 7:20 p.m. Heather, hi. It's 7:24 now. Oh. Give some to Julie na now. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Oh, where did you guys? Heather, where did you guys from? It's 7:25 here.
Oh, can I sit on this one? That's the big one.
Mama.
Anong may bugas? May momo?
Mama. Mommy, hi. Mom.
Where are you? Oh, together? I like that. I like that together. Oh, it's 7:25 here.
Hey, Thomas.
Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. Are you gonna do your thingy? Sandbox? No sandbox?
Yeah.
Oh, you can take a shower later again. No?
Oh, you just took a shower.
Yeah.
Sandbox? No sandbox?
Look how I did it.
Okay, where you going? What are you eating?
I'll walk away.
Okay, give that to Julie. Maybe she likes it. Princess, okay. Okay lang yan.
Honey?
Where you guys? Oh, Jade, you want that candy?